Step 9. How to find profitable products. Finding the right product is the foundation of your Amazon business. Here's how to spot items that sell fast and bring in solid profits. Use product research tools. Use black box of Helium-10. Start with research tools like Helium-10. Filter products by sales, reviews, price, and demand. Look for the sweet spot. Aim for products priced between $20 and $50, with fewer than 200 reviews, and steady sales month after month. Avoid problematic products. No, fragile or oversized. No, restricted categories. Avoid items that are fragile, oversized, or in restricted Amazon categories unless you have experience with them. Check profit margins. At least 30% margin. Include Amazon fees. Calculate your profit margin. After Amazon's fees and shipping costs, I am for at least a 30% margin to make it worth your time. Test before you commit. Order small batch first. Always test a small order before committing to large inventory. This reduces risk and helps confirm demand. Up next, Step 10. Validating demand. Once you've found a product idea, the next step is to make sure there's real demand before you invest.